No, I did not make them, but I make other things with them. Okay.
So I go to, what's it, Byler's? No, mine was different.
He got on an army uniform,
I
huh?
know, that's pretty cool looking.
Yeah, he can stay right there, too.
25 bucks.
Yep, he can stay right there. You get in here in my house and start talking. Good morning, how are you all? Oh, baseball cards.
The pepperiness kicks in.
Yeah, it's a little pepper.
Yeah, I feel it.
I sent you that picture of the ice.
I haven't looked at my phone really.
I have mine nearby too.
87.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, I got a lot of those already. How much are your cards going for?
5 for $1.
5 for $1.
But make me an offer, you can take the whole box.
I think my wife will kill me if I bring more cards home.
You know, see what I'm doing with mine.
Yeah.
It looks like it's empty, but I see it's in here.
Another booming.
What is it? It's like a heart monitor or something?
It monitors your
2004.
heart, your sleep.
All right, I hope you all have a great day. Thank you. Oh, that's cute.
I feel like Tessa would like that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get it.
Okay. $4.
Who's this? Is this you?
Absolutely.
I wonder if those things actually work. The electronic pest chaser.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thing you like, I can make better prices. They were priced for a different place, so.
It's so beautiful.
Look at this one. You like unicorns?
Oh, look at that. That is pretty. You did all these?
Yes. Beautiful. I took lessons last winter, so I'm still.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine.
Good.
Thank you.
Good.
And yourself?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Good. Beautiful day, isn't
It is. Did you make these?
No, I did not make them, but I make other things with them.
Oh, okay, yeah.
If you use paint, you can paint. If you use fabric paint, you
Oh,
can do it on
yeah.
the clothing,
Gotcha.
or the regular craft paint. You can do it on everything.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I'll just make her another.
Look, here's the jars she has me pick up.
Oh, yeah, Brooke.
And you know what? There's a whole bunch free there.
Oh, for real? My daughter likes to make those terraniums.
Okay.
So I go to, what's it, Byler's to pick them up?
Yep.
Yeah.
You want me to take them from
When I
you?
did the craft shows, they used to save them. for me.
Okay.
That's how they do.
So if you want them, there they are.
Oh, okay.
All right, I'll take them off your hands and give them to her.
Oh, that's fantastic.
That way you don't have to lug them home.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Where's the car at?
Right there.
Oh.
You're right beside my car.
Beanie Babies are.
I've never used it in my door.
Is this your table?
No.
Is it,
Oh,
no,
yes.
it's not. Okay.
Well, that's totally different. This is a electric grill.
This one's propane.
Those look pretty vintage.
A little gas
Mm-hmm.
Well, I just got up because we're the only ones in the shade and we were freezing.
Oh, is this a...
Irish flag.
All right, I'll take them all.
You'll take them all?
Yep. I have somebody that likes to get them from me for a children's charity, so that's
Mhm.
perfect.
Yep.
Well, would you like a bag?
I have a bag in the car.
Want me to go
I got
grab it?
paper bags right
Oh,
there.
okay. Yeah, we'll take that.
Want me to... Should I grab one?
Yeah, please.
Yes, ma'am. I just didn't want to dig my hand in there without asking you.
So that's
Yeesh.
one,
At which table? I don't know. Whichever table is it?
2,
Okay, I will.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
3.
That's cute. I have no need for it.
I was going to say it's for sale.
Chris drinks his fancy stuff.
Five. 6.
I think it's cute.
That's from 20.
Okay, it's $6.25. We'll just give you $7. Okay. Sound good?
Well, I hope you do well.
Thank you.
Do you have change for a 20 or?
What time is it anyway?
It is.
Have to be all
just-
singles probably.
I have to do that to you because I just gave all my 1s and 5s to somebody else. Yes.
Have you had a good crowd of people?
Almost steady.
I might.
There's not that many people.
You said 6, right?
Tables this year.
Well,
No, not as many.
it's $6.25. We'll just make it $7.
You know, it wasn't worth it for me to get up for the small amount of things that I have.
Yeah. I know.
I carry money like a drunken sailor.
You know, I don't want to be up there early. I just wanted to get rid of it.
My husband was Navy.
He's Army.
I have some stuff to get rid of,
I
but
won't
I
hold that
just
against you.
Yes, ma'am.
no,
It's gonna
I
have
don't
to be
want to get up
singles.
early and have to drag
I wish
out.
I'd known.
Right.
I would've-
Yeah, that's
I
fine.
got 1 5.
Sorry, I'm taking all your change.
That's all right.
Yeah.
Hi.
Good morning,
Good. How are you? Okay. Look.
Bradley's.
Yeah. And my mom had a ton of those things.
Did she? What happened to him?
Gave them to people and. What's that say?
I don't have my glasses. I can't see that.
Yeah. Kind of cute.
That's what happens when you get old.
Cute, cute.
You know the bin flat.
Oh yeah. Is this bin for sale?
Yes.
I should have known to turn that inside out. The coach.
Oh yeah.
Good morning. How is everyone?
Hi, good. Hi.
I'm doing well, thank you. That's cute.
Hello, Kitty.
Hello Kitty blanket
Hello, Kitty.
Oh wow, it's a nice blanket.
for the kids. That's okay.
Some of them just never grow up.
Yeah, like me, like me.
Yep. We all have a kid inside of us.
That is so true. Because every time I see my favorite toys, I light up like it's Christmas Day.
Yep.
Sure does. How much is your hat?
That's $5.
Okay.
To coach.
I'll give you $5.
Oh, it's a Coach hat?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
I'll give you $5.
Right.
And you can pick something
Enjoy it.
free out of the box
That it
over
is.
there.
This stuff is free?
Yeah, free with a purchase.
Yes, ma'am.
One way of getting rid of it.
Free with the purchase.
His face is smooth, but the rest of him is curvy. New parents, whether you're new I don't know what to say. They
Fishing hooks.